I just got a new Cisco firewall, and I want to see how fast you can get one of these up and running these days. Specifically, I'm going to test out a feature called zero-touch provisioning on this new 1200 series compact firewall. The idea here is that I can just take it out of the box, plug it into the internet, and it will automatically register to my management platform by leveraging its unique serial number. It sounds easy, but let's see if it works as advertised. All right, I'm here in Security Cloud Control. This is Cisco's unified management dashboard for the majority of our security products, and in this instance, we'll be using it to manage our new firewall. I went ahead here and I'm adding a new firewall, selecting to add it by a serial number. I select the cloud delivered FMC, I input the serial number, a name. I have to type in a new password because this will be using the default password and we do not want that. I select the policy, let's choose a branch firewall policy, and then I just simply choose which features and licensing I'll be using on this device. Go ahead and click next, and that is it. That was all the prep work we needed on our end to get this up and running. Now the only thing left to do, you can see it's waiting for device, is to go ahead and plug it into a network that will provide internet connectivity. We will start to see the management LED. It will switch to a flashing green. This means it's connected to Security Cloud Control but not registered to our tenant yet. And then we'll see it quickly progresses through the onboarding workflow. We see we have the management LED switch to a solid green. This means we've formed a secure management tunnel and our new firewall is fully operational. So that's it. That was the zero-touch provisioning feature in action on Cisco Secure Firewall. We went from a factory sealed in-the-box firewall to fully deployed and operational, and it only took about 3 minutes. Right? It's quick, it's simple, saves a lot of time, and I'll have to give this feature an unbiased 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching.